In this video, let us write a program for finding the sum of first and natural number. So already we have seen the formula in the video called expression. So let us write a complete program. So let us see what does it mean by sum of first and natural number. See, natural number starts from 1 onward. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on up to some number. If you want to find the sum of all these numbers, then the formula is there, that is n into n plus 1 by 2. So for example, if I want to find out 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, up to 5 I want to find out. So how much it is? 3 plus 3, 6, 10, then 15. So this is coming up to 15. Now sum is 15. So if I use that formula, what it will be like up to 5 I am finding out. So this is 5 into, this is 5 plus 1, 6 by 2. So how much this is? 6, 1, 6, 3's. So 5, 3, 15. So this is also 15. So yes, this is the formula. So formula for finding the sum of first and natural number, up to what number you want to find out. So this is a well-known formula, but I already have explained it now. Now next, we want to write a program. So for program, let us first of all write on a flow chart. So I'll prepare a flow chart. So for the flow chart, we should follow these steps for writing the program as well as flow chart. Input, process, output. So the basic programs will have these things. So what is input for this program? Let us see. In the formula, n is input. Yes, this is input. Then what is output? Sum is output. Yes, this is the output. And that is the formula. For processing, we use the formula. So let us draw a flow chart. Let us start first. Start. Now first step, I should take the input. So I should have an input box. And here I will say printf, enter n. I should know the value of n. See, the input is n here. So I should know the value of n. So enter n. Then read a value n in a variable n. The next step is process. So second step is process. So this input is over. Next is process. So what's the processing? Calculating sum. So how to calculate sum? Sum assigned with n into n plus 1 by 2. This is processing. The next step is output. So we have the result. Where is the result? In variable sum. So print that one. Then again input output box. So I will write on this and I will give a message that printf sum is. Then after this I will write on variable name. So this is a message in double quotes. Then after this, end of flow chart. So stop flow chart. So this is the flow chart for finding the sum of first and natural number using this formula. Now next thing, in the previous video I have written algorithm. Now I will not write algorithm. You know how to write it. Just you have to take these steps and write them in begin and end block. So now I will write on a C++ program directly. So I'll remove this and write on a C++ program looking at a flow chart. Starting off a program, first of all say hash include IO stream. We have to include the header file. Then using namespace, right? That is standard std. In short, it is std. Then int main function. Now inside this, first thing what I should do, enter n, printf, print. So print means output on the screen. So display cout. So first write cout, enter n, enter n. Next, I should read the value. So for reading the value, it is cin. So say cin extraction operator n. What is this n? Is a variable. So I should declare the variable first. Yes. So if you read this flow chart, what are the variables I require? N and also result sum. So which type it is? See, it should be integer type because you are finding the sum of first and natural numbers are integers. So n as well as sum. Don't worry about the division because you will not get decimal result there. So you will get integer result only. So this is over. Now the next step is finding formula, that is sum. Sum assign n into n plus 1 by 2. Then after that print the result. So sum, this step I am writing, that is output. Sum is, see, this is the message, it is closed. Then again insertion operator, write on the variable name, that is sum. This sum is a variable name, this is a part of a message, right? So I can even write a complete message, sum of the first and natural numbers is so and so. Then after that, as we wrote int here, so we can write return 0 here, and that's all. End of this one. So that's all, this is the program. So there is a coding exercise available for this one, so which asks you to write on the formula. So read the coding exercise and read the comments properly, and then complete the coding exercise. Then after that, we have a video for demonstration of this one, right? So after watching, you practice on your own machine. If you have any questions, if you get any errors, just give a screenshot to me in question answer section, then I will give you a reply if you face any problem. So that's all in this video. Now next videos we will see more formulas.